respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to everyone. I am Chiku, a student of class 3rd from JIE School. Today, I feel honored to stand before you to share my thoughts on two of India's greatest leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, as we celebrate their birth anniversaries on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869, was a beacon of truth and non-violence. His philosophy of satyagraha and non-cooperation became the cornerstone of India's struggle for independence. Gandhiji believed in the power of the people, advocating for peaceful resistance and self-reliance. He inspired millions to fight injustice, not with hatred or violence, but with love and compassion. His dream was not just political freedom but also a free India that embraced harmony, equality, and unity. Gandhiji's ideals remain relevant today, reminding us that the path to peace and justice is through non-violence. On this day, we also celebrate the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was born on 2nd October 1904. Shastri ji was a humble yet firm leader who followed in the footsteps of Gandhi ji. He became the second Prime Minister of India, and his leadership during challenging times, especially during the 1965 Indo-Pak War, showcased his courage and patriotism. His famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, emphasized the importance of soldiers and farmers, acknowledging their role in building a strong and self-reliant nation. Shastri ji's simplicity, honesty, and dedication to the nation continue to inspire us. Both Gandhiji and Shastri ji shared a deep love for their country and its people. They believed in equality, justice, and the dignity of labor. Their legacies remind us of the power of truth, simplicity, and hard work. As we remember them today, let us pledge to uphold their values and work towards building an India they both envisioned, an India that is free, fair, and united. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.